If you want to factory reset your Vitron Smart TV, just go to the home screen and then you want to flick left and left again until you see this little menu panel on the left hand side. Scroll there and go to settings. Now under settings, you want to go to common, select that, and then scroll down to system recovery, select that, and then it's going to ask for your password. Now the default password for your TV is going to be 00000 and press OK. Then click OK, and then it's going to say the operation will delete all of the data of the unit and restore all the settings. So let's go ahead and confirm that and click on recovery. So that is basically how to factory reset your Vitron Smart TV. So after the reset process is complete, the TV will start again and it's going to start from the initial setup page. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.